Hello everyone, this is Nadine Tafania Amira and Muhammad Tegar Al Syed. We will conversation about passage number 6 and we will start it.
Hi, how it's going?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. I recently come across some interesting for information about astronomy. Would you like to hear about it?
Absolutely, I love to. What did you learn?
I found out that astronomers used to rely on direct photography to collect a lot of data from telescope. Are you familiar with this?
Yes, I've heard a bit about it. They use special light sensitive coating on the glass plate, right?
That's right. The size of these plates depends on the telescope. Wide-field telescope often need very large glass plates.
That's interesting. What are glass plate use?
Glass plates are rigid and allow for precise measurements. They also preserve data for a long time, which is useful for later analysis.
So, long exposure help in capturing faint object in the sky.
Exactly, but even the most sensitive plates only capture a small fraction of the light. This makes shorter exposure less effective.
I see. But photography still has the use, right?
Yes, indeed, photography serves as two-dimensional detector covering a broad area at the telescope focus. Thus, one photograph can provide a lot of information.
Especially with the wide field telescope, correct?
Exactly. However, modern technologies like radio and X-ray telescopes allows us to see images beyond the visible spectrum.
So, direction photography is the use less often these days.
Yes, today astronomers can view ancient images of the telescope focus on a monitor. The data can then be converted into a digital format by a computer.
What is this processor called?
It's called image processing. It plays a crucial role in modern astronomy.
How does image processing work?
Computers use false color to display data that our eye can see.
What do you mean by false color?
False color are not the actual colors of the object but reflection specific properties like X-ray emission from stars.
That's really interesting. How was this technology developed?
It's evolved with advance in electronic and computer science, revolutionizing our study of the universe.
Do they still use ClassPath at all?
Occasionally, especially for certain visible like observation, but digital method are more common now.
It's incredible how technology had advanced in astronomy.
Yes, it has greatly expanded our ability to see and understand the universe.
By the way, where did you learn all this about astronomy?
I read many books and articles, watched documentaries, and taken online courses.
That's great. It's exciting to learn new things about the universe.
Absolutely, astronomy is vast and full of mysteries.
Thanks for sharing this. I've learned a lot today.
You're welcome. I'm glad to share. Let's keep exploring new topic together.
I love that. What other area in astronomy interests you?
I'm really intrigued by black holes and dark matter. There's still so much to discover about them.
Black holes sound fascinating. What's something new you've learned about them recently?
As I recently learned that black holes can merge and produce gravitational waves. This wave first observed in 215 and has opened up a new way to study the universe.
Gravitational waves are amazing. How do they help us learn more about black hole?
They often different information than light can. By studying gravitational waves, we can understand the properties of black holes, such as their mass and interaction.
That's really cool. What about dark matter? What the latest on that?
Dark matter is still largely unknown. We know it exists because of its gravitational effect, but we have detected detect it it directly yet. Scientists are using various methods like underground detector and particle accelerator to find more clues.
It's remarkable how much we discover and how much more there is to learn. Do you think we've ever fully understand dark matter?
I hope so. With ongoing advancement and research, we might uncover its secret. The universe has a way of surprising us.
I'm sure it will. Thanks for sharing for autism. It's really inspiring.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoy it. If you're interested, we can dive into more topic anytime.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to our next discussion. Done.
Okay.
Okay.